Well, at least he was a fucking dumb criminal. Couldn't even steal an LBZ. Supposed to let me know when things are getting broken into. You're dumb. Have you ever had this happen to you? Oh, I got everything I need to do my snorkel kit. I got the airbox out. The trike is ready for snorkels. The last thing I need for it is my hat. I'm already wearing my hat. This is a reenactment. The last thing I need for it is my hat so I can film my video. Huh. That's weird that my truck didn't beep when I unlocked it. Alright, let's see what we got here. Oh, that's weird how the glove box is open and stuff is spread out everywhere. Oh, that's weird how my mirror's sideways. Oh, that's weird how the ignition is all torn out. Oh, that's weird. The door's not closed. Oh, that looks good how the lock looks like it was freaking punched out with a hammer and screwdriver. Oh, yeah, that's nice. That's exactly what I want to wake up and see. Oh, yeah, that's wicked. What else happened here? Oh, yeah. You were in looking for stuff, eh? Oh, there's definitely a thing or two missing. Oh, you were in there too. What the hell were you looking for in there? Oh, what happened in here? So, glove box torn out. Nice. Everything all over the seat. Even better. Oh, that's good. You were into here looking for, I don't know. I don't know a hot wired truck. But the ignition is all torn out. Got wires hanging every which way. There's some more wires down there. Huh. I think he was pretty close to taking this truck. Used my own tools to steal my truck. That's freaking wicked. No, wasn't able to quite get past that ignition switch, huh? Oh, those are torn out for whatever reason. Fuse box, gauge cluster. Oh, my clicker works. Ignition doesn't. Nice, more ignition parts hanging out in here. Look at that. OnStar was unplugged. Yeah, those guys sure know how to cause a lot of damage pretty quick here. Yeah. Thanks a lot, guys. What was that? What are you doing? Huh? Hi, puppy. Yeah, you. You're supposed to let me know when things are getting broken into. You're dumb. You're supposed to help with these things. You had to go after the big diesel, huh? There's a perfectly nice GMC Terrain, new, sitting right there. And then we got the old work truck. What's wrong with this truck? See? She's a beaut. Sure are a lot more morning lights on than I remember. Look at the mess he made. Not too bad, not great. Did he take my wheel key? Oh God, is he gonna come steal my wheels? He did not, did he? Why? That sucks. Why am I so upset about that? He was really close to taking it. All he needed to do was get that tumbler moving, but he couldn't do it. So of course I went ahead and called the police. It's starting to rain. Why does it always start raining during my videos? Filed the report, all that good stuff, and cop gets here and he's taking the assessment and my statement and all that, and he said, yeah, you're like the 5th truck to be hit on this neighborhood. So the cops already know who they're after. Well, they don't know who they're after, but they got a profile built on the guy. I guess he's not a very good thief from what I got from the information I was given. Yeah, he hit like 5 trucks in my neighborhood. They've been following this guy around. He's been hitting Carstairs, Olds, Didsbury, and Red Deer for the last month or two. He was cranking on that thing pretty hard. He wasn't going gentle. I think he had the immobilizer all unplugged and the OnStar out, and I think if he would have cranked on that tumbler a little harder on that ignition, man, he would have had it. This is kind of like a PSA. So if you live in the central south Alberta area, there's a guy going around looking for trucks of this vintage, and especially a Chev or a GM, because I don't think they're that hard to make off with. From what the cop told me, this guy is specifically going after 2500s, or in my case, 2500 diesel. Well, that's what insurance for, I guess. My first insurance claim ever. Insurance companies freaking piss me off, man. It's like of course they're gonna fix the ignition and anything that was damaged and everything like that. But I call them because everything I have is under the same policy. So I call them and they're like, yeah, well, you know, if you want us to replace your belongings, you know, your insurance rates are gonna go up. Why the are my insurance rates gonna go up? One claim and they're like, yeah, well, you know, if you want your stuff replaced, we're gonna need some more money from you. Remember all that money we've been taking from you for all these years? Well, if you want your stuff covered, we're gonna need a little more. Your rates are gonna go up. Sorry. Yeah, we'll be back to doing trike snorkels in just a day or two here. I'm sure I'm not the only one who's gotten their truck either broken into or stolen. I'd love to hear some of your guys' stories. I'm sure that they've been way worse than this. Actually, I already heard some stories. I was talking to my Xbox Live friend. I was complaining to him about this, of course. I said, oh, my ignition is smashed out, and they tried to make off with the truck, and they stole a bunch of stuff. And he said, dude, when your truck is sitting 2 blocks away in a parking lot on cinder blocks, burnt to the ground, you let me know. Okay, mine wasn't that bad. But I'm sure that there's some pretty crazy stories out there too. This isn't really what I wanted to talk about in today's video. Sorry, we're gonna get back to the storkels on the trikes right away. But it happened, so here I am about it. Have fun. Stay safe. Right on. Bye everybody. See you in the next one. Bye. Oh, did I tell you to subscribe? Subscribe. Thanks. Patreon's links down in the description. Bye.